Okay, this is a series of videos that's going to take you through the next programming project that we're going to create, which is the next evolution, I suppose, from what we've been creating so far. So in our Moodle course, scroll down to where programming projects are in the JavaScript section. The programming project area of a triangle is a follow-on from the area of a rectangle. If I have a look at the project instructions, we'll see that there's some slight differences with this project. A similar brief. We're going to create an application. However, this time we're going to use text boxes for the user to enter their input directly into our web page in our program, and then to display our output in an area box. And rather than use the onload methods that we've used to date, where our program has launched automatically when our web page has loaded, we're actually going to put our JavaScript in a function this time for the first time and trigger that function on the click of this calculate button, which is not something that we've done yet, so using a button. There's a few little additions here that make this probably a more real-life type project, but still fairly similar to what we've done in the last one. So we're going to have a few videos that follow this that step you through the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript. So to get yourself ready for this project, these steps down here are what you need to do. Similar to what we've done with our other projects, you need a folder called triangle in your JavaScript folder. You need to copy your basic HTML template into that folder, copy that file in and rename it index.html. You need to create a new file called triangle.js as your JavaScript file, and a file called triangle.css as your CSS file, and then back where we came from there is a file called trianglearea.gif which you need to download and save into that same folder. So that's, if you go back to here, you'll see that that image file is right here, ready to download. And when you're done, you'll essentially have a project folder, my triangle project folder, with your index.html, your JavaScript and your CSS, and your area file included there. I've got a few extra other files in here that you won't have, but they're the basic files that you'll have, and you'll be ready to go.